Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to find low competition keywords with Semrush. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Semrush account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Semrush? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and look at the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type semrush.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Semrush. Once you get into the website, the top right corner of your screen, you follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. And once you're done creating your account, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Semrush. All right, so now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to find low competition keywords with Semrush. From your homepage, from this homepage, head over to the left corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple of categories with diverse features beneath them. And I would like you to head over to the competitive research category. Right here, you have domain overview, traffic analytics, organic research, keyword gap, backlink gap. Now go ahead and click on organic research. And that's going to open up the organic research window. So from here, we're going to have to enter the domain or subdomain or URL. Click on that. I'm only going to click on that box. And this is my domain, and this is what I've been working with. Punch the search bar. You can also use this filter to select the location. So we're here. So from this window at the top corner, you're going to find these tabs which include overview, positions, position changes, competitors, pages, and subdomains. So go ahead and click on positions. Okay, so we're going to do something really amazing in here, but that's using these filters. So from these positions, we're going to click on that, and here you have, okay, 10K keywords per report and all of this. So it means I cannot set that except I subscribe. But then if you have subscribed and click on positions, go ahead and click on top 20. And then from this volume, okay, I will not be able to use these filters because it's pretty much limited. So I can just click on thank you, not now, but go ahead and click on volume. And once you click on volume, you'll be able to select the volume that you want. And KD, which is keyword, this is keyword difficulty. So from this keyword difficulty, you're going to have to select very easy. You're going to find a couple categories, and one of them is easy. You're going to also get very easy. Since we're looking for low competition keywords, go ahead and set it to very easy. And once you select very easy, you can head over here to use this advanced filters for you to customize it to what you want. And you can use these advanced filters to just narrow it down to the lowest that you can find. Now, after using that advanced filter, you're going to find the list of all the positions here that's low competition keywords that you can now use. So you have this one. This is resale, Brunson value ladder, intent 1, position 2, and this is the traffic, and this is 12.27, volume 1K, KD 14%. So my chance to start ranking new pages is 14%. So 14%, it's very easy. So 14% means the difficulty is very low, meaning it's very easy for me to start ranking with this particular keyword. Okay, so we're not going to be able to analyze all of these because we really do not know if the KD has been set to very easy. But just know that after subscribing, follow through the prompt to subscribing, head over here top 20. Set the volume should be around 1 to 25, and then the KD should be very easy, and you're going to see a list of all the keywords, that's low competition keywords, right here on this page. Now I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.